Hello everyone, welcome to Tala Food. Today let's cook one pumpkin soup without beef or chicken stock. And trust me, the taste is even better. Let's start. We need 500 grams of pumpkins, 180 grams of onions, and 150 grams of bacon. Let's fry the bacon first. Put a little oil. Fry the bacon until it gets brown. Now we take out the bacon and leave the oil inside the pan. Put the pumpkins inside the pan. 30 grams of butter. Stir fry the pumpkin until it gets lightly brown. Don't skip this part, the lightly brown pumpkin will make the soup taste better. We put the onions. Stir fry around 2 minutes. 400 ml of water. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/3 teaspoon of black pepper. Put the lid on and cook for 10 minutes in low heat. Put half of the bacon we just did. (100 ml of whipping cream). We put everything inside the blender and it's done. Let's enjoy our soup with milk cream, bacon, and bread. Hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you next time.